Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting video. Today, we are thrilled to delve into the latest breakthrough in the electric vehicle market, the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6. With an array of cutting-edge features that prioritize performance, efficiency, and advanced technology, the Ioniq 6 is set to redefine the standards of electric mobility. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle a compelling option for the modern driver. Kicking things off, the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6 offers an impressive range of trim options, catering to diverse preferences and budget considerations. Whether you're eyeing the sleek SE standard range or opting for the top-tier limited trim. Starting at approximately $54,000. Whether you're eyeing the sleek SE standard range or opting for the top-tier limited trim. Starting at approximately $54,000, there's a choice for every discerning customer. With its diverse powertrain options, the Ioniq 6 doesn't compromise on power and performance. Equipped with top-tier dual-motor variants boasting a remarkable 320 horsepower, this vehicle guarantees an exhilarating all-wheel drive experience. What's more, its emphasis on stability and handling makes it a standout choice for those who crave a dynamic driving experience. Say goodbye to range anxiety with the 2024 Ioniq 6, expected to provide an impressive range of approximately 300 miles. Plus, its fast-charging capabilities enable you to juice up to 80% of its battery capacity in just 30 minutes. Making long-distance travel a worry-free experience. Step inside the Ioniq 6 and experience its modern design and spacious interior, accommodating up to 5 passengers across 2 rows of seating. While the trunk's cargo space may not match that of a hatchback or crossover, the option to fold down the rear seats offers a flexible and expansive storage area for all your needs. There's a choice for every discerning customer. With its diverse powertrain options, the Ioniq 6 doesn't compromise on power and performance. Equipped with top-tier dual-motor variants boasting a remarkable 320 horsepower, this vehicle guarantees an exhilarating all-wheel drive experience. What's more, its emphasis on stability and handling makes it a standout choice for those who crave a dynamic driving experience. Prepare to be impressed by the Ioniq 6's sophisticated infotainment setup, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen system, seamless smartphone integration, advanced voice recognition, and a wide array of connectivity options. Stay connected and entertained on the go with this seamless tech experience. Safety takes center stage with the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6, equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. From automated emergency braking to adaptive cruise control, this vehicle ensures a safe and secure driving experience for you and your passengers. Rest assured with Hyundai's industry-leading warranty and maintenance coverage plan, offering peace of mind with its comprehensive protection. Enjoy a limited warranty of 5 years or 60,000 miles, a powertrain warranty of 10 years or 1 lakh miles, and a battery warranty of 10 years or 1 lakh miles. So, the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6 is not just an electric vehicle, it's a statement of Hyundai's commitment to excellence in the electric mobility space. With a seamless blend of performance, technology, and safety features, this sedan is sure to capture the hearts of a wide range of prospective buyers looking for an efficient and stylish electric ride. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest innovations in the automotive world.